Let's create. Ahi Tuna. 2 small fillets. See how small they are? And I got some scallops. This is wild caught. So the Ahi Tuna have been at room temperature for about 30 minutes. I already pat it dry. All you need is a little bit of salt. Both sides, by the way. And if you want to, you can put some black ground pepper. Both sides. That's it. Now, for the scallops, it's a different story. Scallops, tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, Modena, tablespoon. Tablespoon of soy sauce. As a result, you're not going to add any salt. Get the lemon, squeeze some to it. And that's all you need. You don't even need pepper or anything. That's all you need, okay? So I have a medium high. I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let me reduce the heat to medium. I just have to preheat the stuff. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding the scallops. It's very simple. Just cook it until it browns on the outside, and they should be ready, okay? I like to add a little bit of the soy sauce stuff now. Ooh, that smells good. Couple notches about medium because I add this change the temperature. And it's very simple. You're going to flip it, make sure it's cooked on both sides. And, you know, it's going to be ready. So it's about a minute or two on one side, flip it, and do the same in the other. So after 2 minutes, turn it around so it cooks on the other side. Add the heat at medium high. So what the couple teaspoons, you know, the teaspoon of the balsamic vinegar and the teaspoon of the soy sauce, plus a little bit of the oil, all it did was it's creating a steaming process. It's not frying, it's kind of steaming. This kind of boiling it, it's boiling in those juices. So it's adding those flavors without burning anything. So I turn it around and I'm going to let it cook, let's say for about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? That way it's going to be cooked inside, it's going to go delicious, nice color, no burn, no nothing, okay? Now you're going to transfer them to a different container. And what you're going to do is, oh, they're beautiful. Put them to rest. Take advantage of this to add the mushrooms if you want to cook some. Use the same juices, okay? That's what I mean. You can use some of the lemon. And you can use a little bit of butter. And get this baby to you know, to cook for a little bit, not a long time. caramelize these mushrooms. It's not going to take a long time. It's about 2 minutes, okay? Gas iron, you can use any type of pan. I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You don't go crazy, just a little bit. Let me reduce the heat to a couple notches above medium. And this is very simple. I'm going to get this baby ready. And I'm going to watch it. It's about a couple minutes on one side first. And then we take it from there because we're going to have to flip them, okay? So about 2 minutes later, flip. See how nice it looks. The other side's not going to take a long time. Just flip it, see? Add some butter. This butter is going to create this messy smoke, that's fine. And I like to add some fresh thyme too, to add some aromatic. You can scoop some of the butter on top. And that's pretty much it. It's not going to take a long time, by the way. It should be done within a minute.